I want to make the sword, my word one uppercase. So I can just print into bracket. Um, let me do it. Let me do it output one. Output one dot upper. Okay, so let's print it. Okay, so you can see it I've made everything uppercase, and we can do same for making it lowercase. So I'm going to just paste here, and then I'll do it dot lower. So dot lower should have, okay, so it's made this output lowercase. And then let's say we want to find something. Okay, so let's say print into bracket output one dot find. So let's say we want to find the position of this text. Let me see, what should we find? Let's say jumps, and then let's run it. Okay, so 20. So if you should count it, I think it should start. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so I think you start counting from 0. So it's at this position 20. So let's go to another exercise. Let's try another exercise here. So here we can try and translate our text. Okay, so to translate, let's say I want to print into brackets output one dot translate. Okay, so translate, then I'll bring a parenthesis, and then 2 equals, and then this quotation comments, and then I'll change it to ES. So ES is supposed to print it into translate into Spanish. So let's run it and see the output. Okay, so you can see it has translated the quick brown fox. I think, is it output 2? Okay, so it's output 1. So it's have translated the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so this, it requires internet for the translation. Okay, so let's go to the other one. Let's see what we can do here. Always remember to put TextBlob in front of the text. So let's say let's create a variable called R, and then I'm going to put TextBlob into brackets the quick, I'm just copy the quick brown fox, Control C, and then I'm going to paste it here, Control V. I think I have double quotation comments. And just, yeah, so this is how to actually use TextBlob. So the variable R, and then TextBlob, and then you put your text in. Okay, and then let's say we want to do some correction. So let's say I did a mistake. So let's say I did the over, I did double R. So let's say we want to correct it. So what we can do is just print into brackets, and then I'm going to type R dot correct, and then let's run it. Okay, so you can see the correction here is, it has taken the R out, so it has made a correction. Okay, so using this correct method, you can make some corrections in your let's say your text using TextBlob. And then let's see what else we can do. So let's say, let me just copy this again. In order to save time, I wouldn't want to be typing a lot. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And let's say, and the dog and cat, the dog and cat, and let's say were at the dogs, at the dog, at the dogs, let's say at the cat's home. I don't know what I'm typing, but let's make this dog D. Okay, So here we want to try and count the number of occurrence of let's say um, dog, how many times dog appears. So I'm just going to type the variable r dot, and then I'm going to put count. So r dot words dot count. Okay. In parentheses, I'm going to find dog. Okay, so when I run it, where's the error? So the error is I forgot to bring this brackets here. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, so two. So dog appears twice. So let's say, where is it? One and then two. Okay, so the dog appears twice, irrespective of the capitalization. Okay, so let's say we want to count only the uppercase. Okay, by default, this is set to false. Okay, so let's just put this here, and then I'm going to count only. We don't want it to consider like it should be very case sensitive. It should be case sensitive. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to put here comma. Okay, and I'm going to do case underscore sensitive equals true. Then let's run it and see the output. Okay, so because we have this case sensitive set to true, you could see it didn't count this. Okay, it counted only this. Okay, so now